showing her teeth. Aww. The little princess.
Oh my god. Uy.
Uy.
I'm gonna watch a movie.
Me too.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute.
All the doors locked, babe? Yeah, the back ones are locked already, so. Come on, baby.
Oh! Are you gonna give this to me now, babe?
No.
Why? Why, babe?
You like it?
Yeah, this is expensive.
Yeah.
Really? This is just 200 in here.
No, they're like $5.
Why is it?
If it's just 200, why didn't you buy one?
I don't have money, man. Babe, nga naman eh.
Twist it. Like this. Hold on. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh.
It's like this. But you're gonna put it around your neck, no? Well, then you just go like this. And then if you want it farther from you, just like this. And then when you lay down, you just go like that.
So heavy, babe. Heavy.
It's not heavy.
Go once now.
Whenever I'm at the house, in my house, I'll put that on and I watch TV because I don't have a TV no more.
Well, I'm just kidding.
And it's good because I go to a restroom and I'm just there and I could hold it and watch TV.
Let me hold it.
I could watch TV at the same
No,
time.
you don't need this anymore. Because if you're going to the restroom, I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah, for now, but how did you do this over here?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.